Adding a new employee to your payroll system typically involves setting up a multitude of earnings and deductions, which can be a laborious task. The template feature in Sage Accpac Payroll simplifies this process by allowing you to copy the settings from an existing employee to a new one. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate this function by entering a new employee into Payroll using the template feature. So let's jump right in and get started. From the menu tree, we'll select Payroll, Payroll Employees, then Employees. It's important to note here that our new employee will function in a role similar to some of our other employees. They'll have the same hourly pay structure, the same medical benefits, the same bonus program, and so on. Further, they're subject to the same taxes and they have other similar payroll-related attributes. So let's begin here by entering the next available number for the new employee, which will be 100140. As we tab out of the number field, notice that a new field, Template, appears. This is the field that allows us to choose an existing employee to use as a template. Before we make our selection here, let's first take a quick look under the other tabs so we can compare the before and after. Notice that nothing is present in the fields under these tabs with the exception of a very few default values. So now let's return to the Template field on the General tab. Our new employee will work in our warehouse with a weekly pay frequency, so using the Finder, we're looking for an employee with these same attributes. And John Haley meets these criteria, so we'll select his record. As we made our selection, all of the payroll attributes of John Haley are now copied to the new employee's record. Also note that the Template field will clear your selection after the settings are automatically copied. Let's now verify that the settings have been copied, and as we once again look under these tabs, notice that the fields are now populated. At this point, you would return to the General tab and enter the person-specific information, and if this was Canadian payroll, the social insurance number rather than the social security number. As you can see, by using this feature, you'll save a great deal of time when entering new employees. However, a note of caution here, you must be careful to review the copied attributes to ensure that all apply to the new employee. If any don't apply, you can make those edits at this point. As a further tip, you might consider creating template employees for your different classes of employees. If you choose to do this, make sure you set the template employee status to inactive to safeguard against mistakenly processing them in a payroll run. So to recap, when adding a new employee to payroll, rather than going through the laborious task of setting up all of the fields from scratch, use the Employee Template feature to copy these settings from a similar employee in one quick step. Give us a call if you need assistance with this or any other feature in your Sage Accpac system. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Bye for now.